Welcome to our comprehensive test automation guide and a new Nucida session. In today's fast-paced software development landscape, the demand for efficient and effective testing methodologies has never been greater. Test automation has emerged as a crucial aspect of software testing, enabling organizations to improve efficiency, reduce time to market, and enhance software quality. This basic guide about test automation is divided into several video sessions. We will delve into the world of test automation, covering everything from the basics and importance of automated testing to setting up the test automation environment. We will explore the significance of choosing the right tools for test automation and provide insights into essential test systems that can streamline your testing process. Additionally, we will guide you through the process of setting up a solid test automation framework, ensuring a robust foundation for your testing efforts. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions of this video sequel here, as well as our other training videos about the world of software quality. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our video sequel starts here right now. In the upcoming weeks, we will produce 5 videos about the following test automation topics. Once the test automation environment is in place, we will shift our focus to developing and implementing test automation scripts. You will learn how to identify tests that are suitable for automation and how to write effective test scripts that cover critical functionality. We will also discuss best practices for running and managing test scripts, enabling you to maximize the efficiency of your test automation efforts. Maintaining and enhancing the test automation suite is a crucial aspect of successful test automation. We will explore the importance of regularly reviewing and updating test scripts to ensure their relevance and accuracy. Additionally, we will discuss how to incorporate new tests as the product evolves and how to address test failures and flaky tests effectively. Finally, we will explore how to measure the success of test automation. We will delve into defining success metrics for test automation and evaluating test coverage. Furthermore, we will discuss the importance of understanding the return on investment, ROI, of test automation and how it can drive decision-making within your organization. Whether you are new to test automation or looking to enhance your existing skills, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the basic knowledge and techniques needed to master test automation. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of test automation for your software testing endeavors. Thus, stay tuned to never forget our upcoming sessions. In this session, I will explain the basics and importance of test automation. Test automation is a technique that involves the use of specialized software tools to automate the execution of tests, compare the actual results to the expected results, and generate detailed test reports. It is a vital component of modern software development and testing processes, offering numerous benefits to organizations of all sizes. Test automation involves the use of scripting or programming languages to create automated test scripts that simulate user interactions with the software under test. These scripts can perform various actions such as inputting data, interacting with user interfaces, and verifying expected outcomes. By automating these repetitive and time-consuming tasks, test automation helps teams save valuable time and resources while increasing the overall efficiency of the testing process. Hey, before we go any further, my team just told me that over 60% of you who are watching this channel are new viewers, but you haven't subscribed to it. So I would ask you, if you find this channel useful, to hit the subscribe button. That helps us analyze it, but more importantly, it helps me teach more people and feel like I'm doing the right thing to help you make a living doing what you love. This may be overwhelming for you because you may be new to your business. You may not be used to software quality, test management, test automation, etc., which seems a little crazy at first glance. I understand you. I feel for you. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. test automation can be a vital part of your quality assurance activities. Now, I will explain 6 arguments why test automation could support your test strategy very well and could help you to fulfill your defined quality goals. 1. Efficiency. Test automation significantly reduces the time and effort required to execute test cases. Automated tests can be run repeatedly and consistently, allowing for faster feedback on software quality. This efficiency enables teams to test more frequently, catch bugs earlier in the development cycle, and deliver high-quality software at a faster pace. 2. Accuracy. Manual testing is prone to human error, which can lead to inconsistent results and unreliable test outcomes. Test automation eliminates the risk of human error, ensuring accurate and reliable test results. Automated tests can precisely follow predefined steps and verify expected outcomes, providing confidence in the software's functionality. 3. Regression testing. As software evolves and new features are added, regression testing becomes critical to ensure that existing functionality remains intact. Manual regression testing can be time-consuming and error-prone. Test automation allows for the creation of comprehensive regression test suites that can be executed effortlessly, guaranteeing that previously tested functionality continues to work as expected. 4. Increased test coverage. Test automation enables teams to achieve higher test coverage by executing many tests across different platforms, configurations, and datasets. Automated tests can cover a wider range of scenarios and edge cases, helping to identify potential issues that might go unnoticed in manual testing. 5. Cost savings. While there is an initial investment in setting up and maintaining test automation infrastructure, the long-term cost savings can be substantial. Automated tests can be executed repeatedly without incurring additional costs, unlike manual testing that requires dedicated resources. Moreover, by catching and fixing bugs earlier in the development cycle, test automation helps reduce the overall cost of software development. 6. Team collaboration. Test automation promotes collaboration and communication among team members. Automated tests serve as a shared resource that can be easily accessed and understood by team members, facilitating knowledge sharing and improving the overall testing process. In summary, test automation offers several advantages, including improved efficiency, accuracy, regression testing, increased test coverage, cost savings, and enhanced team collaboration. By understanding the basics and importance of test automation, you are on track to harness its full potential in your software testing endeavors. I hope this video helps you understand more about test automation and how you can use it to improve your QA activities. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. I would like to recommend looking the complete test automation video sequence. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.